All right, so I'm sitting here just totally lost. Um, we've now had two trash pickup days, and it's not all gone. I can't believe that it is still here. Um, so I think you're gonna have to stay tuned and see why it might be taking so long for them to get it all. So I just realized that I never did show all of you all from yesterday. Well, show you all yesterday after all the damage was done. Just how much stuff got removed from the RV over the weekend. So hang on a second. Are you ready? Are you ready? We're just gonna do it this way. What? Are you kidding me? I feel sorry for the trash guys today. Yes, there's a little bit of trash from our normal usage, but 98% of this came out the RV. So how about that? Oh my God. Definitely gonna want to stay tuned to see the videos of what we did.